Thanks, Dad. SquarePants.
That was him, by the way. Looks like a ghost in this light. Hey guys, we're doing a bit of camping.
There you go.
And it's dark, and we're looking out for the meteorites, but we can't find any yet because there's supposed to be some tonight, but whether there is not. And everyone's chilling out. We're just cooking now. We're going to cook some great delicatessens. It's called pot noodle. You know what I mean? Oh, look at the boat all lit up. Look at the chimp sat there. Gorillas in the mist. So we're using our solar powered lights at the moment. Everything's on solar because there's no point using the main power while we're just sat here. It just saves energy. So I'm going for a wander around this bit and I'll show you the front of it. See, it still looks nice though, doesn't it, folks? And there's an old boat there. Look at that. What a shame that is. Oh, literally in the middle of nowhere. Here we are. Oh.
Here we are, guys, on the bed. And colours.
There they are. Looks like the noses have fell off because they haven't got one. They keep hiding it. What are you watching?
SpongeBob SquarePants the movie.
SpongeBob SquarePants the movie. I've just come in for the knives and the knives and forks are there, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right. Wave everybody. How embarrassing. Right. So this is the creme de la creme. No, it's not. What the hell? Why did you put the lid? Why did you put the lid on that? What a tit. Jack's not put the lid on the friggin' Pringles. You've only lost about 3. Yeah.
Hey, Jack
No.
didn't put the lid on the Pringles proper. Your dad knocked him over.
What the hell? So this is it. Chateau La Pot Noodle. Anyway, I'm going now. This is Cole's Copters. Hope you enjoyed yourselves, because I will when
I'm going to eat some missing Pringles.
The Pringle kisser. Anyway, we're going because the kettle's nearly boiled and it's time to go.
It's not.
Here it is. I can hear it whistling.